इंसोम्निया, नींद नहीं आना बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। इंसोम्निया कहते हैं उसको इंग्लिश में। आप इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में, उर्दू में, फारसी में, फ्रेंच में, स्पेनिश में, जो भी कहें, प्रॉब्लम यह है कि नींद नहीं आ रही। उसका सबसे बड़ा कारण स्ट्रेस है। सबसे बड़ा कारण स्ट्रेस। हाउ डू आई नो? अब देखिए, पहले स्ट्रेस जीवन के लिए होता है, जीवन को चलाने के लिए। दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्वाइवल मोड स्ट्रेस। सर्वाइवल मोड स्ट्रेस उतना हार्म नहीं करता है, बिकॉज सर्वाइवल मोड का स्ट्रेस के साथ डी स्ट्रेसर्स बहुत। तो सर्वाइवल मोड स्ट्रेस इज अ नॉर्मल स्ट्रेस. It will never cause insomnia. Insomnia happens when you go out from the survival mode and you get into other modes of life. Then stress happens, and this stress is the main reason why you're not getting sleep. So you need to de-stress yourself. That is the first thing. I will give you a few tips so that you can de-stress yourself. Number one is remove all negativities from your mind. All kinds of negativities have to go out of your mind. That is number one. Number two, you need to be off screen, off blue light. That is, your phone should not be on after 9 p.m. or the television should not be on. And television news should not be on ever, because news is negative news. They try to hook you up on the television by all these negative news, so that the whole day you need to watch television. 24 hours news channel. Every day they have so many news, and that is expanded for 24 hours viewers, because you are hooked to that channel. So news should not be seen. That is negative news. The third is you need to go and sleep, go to bed early. Maybe 9 o'clock or so you should be in bed. Number 4, you should do Nadi Shuddhi. I'll show you how to do Nadi Shuddhi, or you can check my videos for Nadi Shuddhi. You will get it. Number 5 is you need to have lukewarm or hot kesar water. You put 2-3 strands of kesar in hot water. It's called saffron. Now this saffron, when you put in water, the color of the saffron is red, dark red, and when you put it, your drink will become yellowish. So that is how you differentiate between real saffron and fake ones. So it will be somewhat yellowish. Then you can have a drink of saffron water and you can go to sleep. You will sleep well. You should do Nadi Shuddhi, and you wait. If you are still not getting sleep, please wait and look for my course on Swar Vigyan. Once you know Swar Vigyan, you will know how to sleep, when to sleep, and whenever you want to sleep. I mean, suppose if you are going abroad and there is a difference in timing, that is called jet lag, you can't sleep. If you know Swar Vigyan, you can sleep very well. So please wait for my course on Swar Vigyan.